Welcome to BrainFeed magazine. For years, scientists believed that beneath the icy surface of Mars' south pole lay a hidden underground lake of liquid water. Water, a key ingredient for life, would have been a game-changer for future human missions. But new research from NASA has turned this assumption on its head. In 2018, the European Space Agency's Mars Express orbiter detected a strong radar signal from beneath nearly 1.5 kilometers of ice at the Martian South Pole. The signal was so intense that scientists hypothesized the presence of liquid water. This discovery sparked excitement worldwide, as it suggested that water might be present in a subsurface environment on Mars, a potential resource for future explorers. However, the latest data from NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO, using its shallow radar, SHARAD, tells a different story. While the initial radar signal from the Mars Express orbiter was strong, SHARAD's deeper and more advanced probing, using a technique known as the Very Large Roll, has cast doubt on the water theory. Instead of the bright, strong reflection expected from water, SHARAD picked up a faint signal, indicating that the feature is likely not liquid water, but rather a mix of rock and dust. The breakthrough came on 26 May 2023, when the MRO executed a 120-degree roll, a unique maneuver that enhanced the radar's power, allowing it to probe deeper into the Martian surface. This innovative technique revealed that the initial radar signal might have been misinterpreted, and what was thought to be water could actually be a rare smooth area beneath the ice, possibly an ancient lava flow. While this new data rules out the underground lake theory, scientists are not discouraged. The team now believes the Martian South Pole's surface may hide ancient geological features, like lava flows, which could reflect radar in ways similar to liquid water. The search for water and other resources continues, with future missions aimed at regions like Medusae Fossae, where water ice could still be present. NASA's findings demonstrate the dynamic and mysterious nature of Mars. While the search for liquid water continues, new discoveries like these are shaping our understanding of the planet and guiding future missions. Stay tuned for more updates on Mars exploration from BrainFeed TV. Here, you learned NASA's shallow radar has debunked the underground lake theory at Mars' South Pole. The faint radar signal suggests the feature is a mix of rock and dust, not liquid water. New radar techniques, like the Very Large Roll, are enhancing our ability to explore Mars' surface. Future Mars missions will focus on identifying water resources in other regions, like Medusae Fossae. We hope you found this Mars discovery as fascinating as we did.